To obtain food, ravens are known for their ability to adapt to new situations and environments, which is possible due to their capacity to learn quickly. This skill is one of the many characteristics that distinguish them as one of the most intelligent animals on the planet. Furthermore, they are known for their ability to remember information and locate food that they have found before. If you would like to learn more about the intelligence of ravens and how it compares to that of other animals, it is important to note that they share many characteristics with other animals considered intelligent, such as chimpanzees and dolphins. These animals are known for their ability to solve problems and learn quickly, which makes them very interesting to study. One of the most notable examples of the intelligence of ravens is their ability to remember where they have found food before and return to it again seeking food. This is possible thanks to their excellently developed memory, which allows them to store important information and use it in future situations. In addition, ravens are also known for their ability to solve problems, such as finding a way to open a nest to obtain something important that is inside. The intelligence of ravens is also demonstrated by their ability to communicate with each other and even with other animals, such as humans. They are able to learn and imitate sounds and gestures, which is a sign of the language skills they have. In addition, they are also known for their ability to create and maintain bonds with other animals, which demonstrates their ability to connect with others. If you would like to learn more about the intelligence of ravens and how it compares to that of other animals, it is important to consider that they have unique characteristics that distinguish them from the rest of the animal world. They are able to adapt to new environments and situations with ease, which is a skill that many animals do not possess. Furthermore, the fascination with the intelligence of the animal kingdom is a broad and interesting topic, which sparks the curiosity of many people. Presenting cases of extremely intelligent animals, such as ravens, is a powerful resource for stimulating discussion and reflection on the nature of intelligence. Ravens, in particular, are known for their excellent ability to solve problems and learn quickly, which makes them one of the most intelligent in the animal kingdom. However, many people still don't know much about the intelligence of ravens and how it compares to that of other animals. To better understand this peculiarity, it is important to analyze the various ways in which the intelligence of ravens can be measured. One of the most impressive characteristics of ravens is their ability to solve complex problems. Studies have shown that they are able to open locked boxes, even if they have been designed to be resistant to opening. In addition, they also demonstrate an impressive ability to adapt to new environments, which is a clear sign of their ability to learn and adapt to the world around them. Another important aspect of the intelligence of ravens is the capacity for socialization and communication. They are known for their ability to communicate with each other, using calls and gestures to convey information and coordinate in carrying out action. This is particularly interesting, as it suggests that ravens have a language and a form of communication of their own, which are easy to understand and use. The ability of ravens to solve problems and learn quickly is also an interesting matter. Studies have shown that they are able to quickly learn new skills and adapt to new scenarios, working independently or as a team. This suggests that they have a flexible mindset and are able to easily adapt to change. Furthermore, the intelligence of ravens is also characterized by a great ability to remember information and learn skills. They are able to. Did you know that ravens are considered one of the most intelligent animals in the animal kingdom? In this video, you will learn about the intelligence of ravens and how they stand out from other animals. Be a member of our community and subscribe now to access more content about intelligence and animal behavior. The intelligence of ravens is a fascinating topic that has captured the attention of many scientists and nature enthusiasts. These animals are known for their ability to solve complex problems and adapt quickly to the environment. In studies conducted, it has been demonstrated that ravens have a special ability to learn and remember the parameters of problem solving, which puts them ahead of many other animals. Furthermore, ravens are also known for their language and communication skills. They are able to identify and mimic sounds and phrases, which helps them communicate with the rest of the group. This language ability has been demonstrated in studies where ravens have been trained to mimic human phrases and even learn to count to 10. But the intelligence of ravens does not stop there. They also have an incredible ability to solve problems of structure and physics, which is impressive considering the complexity of their brains. In studies, it has been shown that ravens are able to build complex structures, such as bridges and rails, using sticks and other materials, and even solve puzzles to get to food rewards. This problem-solving skill is one of the main reasons why ravens are considered one of the most intelligent animals in the animal kingdom. In addition, the ability to adapt quickly to the environment and learn from mistakes puts them in a unique position in the animal world. Studies on the intelligence of ravens are not only interesting, but also have practical implications for the conservation and management of endangered species. The ability to solve problems and adapt. Ravens are known for their singular intelligence, which makes them capable of solving complex problems in a creative way and adapting to new environments. It is not common to see a field animal perform tasks that require logical and strategic skills, but ravens are an exception. A study published in the scientific journal Nature in 2013 showed that ravens are able to overcome obstacles and solve complex problems. The study, led by Dr. Ken Chung, presented the following situation for the ravens: a locked box that contained food. The goal was to see if the ravens would be able to open the box to obtain the meal. The results were surprising. The ravens were able to open the box using creative tools and techniques. They used stones, twigs, and even devices made by themselves to release the food. This demonstrates that ravens have a capacity for logical and creative reasoning that is common only in humans and a few other animals. In addition, ravens are known for their ability to adapt to new environments. They are able to adjust to different types of habitat and take advantage of the opportunities that each environment offers. This is possible because of their curiosity and their ability to learn from what they observe. The intelligence of ravens is also a reflection of their ability to communicate. They are able to create complex languages and exchange information with other ravens. This ability has allowed ravens to disperse over large areas and maintain contacts with other members of the same species. Another interesting aspect of the intelligence of ravens is their ability to remember information and places. They are able to remember where they obtained food in a specific location and return there again. In addition, ravens are also able to identify and remember specific features of human bodies. The fascinating life of ravens. An essential tool for surviving in rapidly changing environments, their members are able to quickly adapt to new scenarios, making them increasingly resistant to misfortune. In addition, studies demonstrate that these animals are notable for their ability to learn and absorb information quickly, which helps them to position themselves in hostile or competitive environments, showing a great capacity for adaptation. In the eyes of man, ravens seem to be misunderstood animals, always associated with negative concepts such as death, chaos, and destruction. However, a closer study of these animals reveals that they possess a unique set of skills and behaviors that allow them to thrive in a wide range of environments. They are able to live in a variety of habitats, from dense, lush forests to urban environments, always adapting to new conditions and becoming experts in survival. In addition, ravens are known for their ability to adapt to new food sources, whether natural or man-made. This allows them to survive in difficult environments, where food can be scarce and conflict over resources is frequent. In some cases, they even learn to feed on garbage and waste, showing an impressive persistence and skill in the face of adversity. The adaptability of ravens is a testament to their incredible ability to survive and persevere. They are able to move with agility and speed, using their intelligence and creativity to overcome obstacles and find solutions to the challenges they face. This makes them animals perfectly adapted to their reality, always adjusting to changes and new situations that arise in their path. Ravens are also known for their ability to communicate with their partners. Using a varied Here are some practical tips for you to learn more about the intelligence of ravens. The fascinating world of Brazilian animals. By observing ravens in their natural habitat, you will be able to notice how they move silently among the branches, searching below to find insects and fruits. This can help you better understand how they behave and how they solve problems creatively. For example, when finding a strange object in its environment, the raven may use curiosity to explore it and understand its function. This is a reflection of its adaptive intelligence, which allows it to adapt to new environments and solve complex problems. In addition, observing ravens in their habitat can also help you understand their social structure, how they organize themselves in groups, and how they relate to each other. In addition, reading studies on the intelligence of ravens can be a valuable way to learn more about how intelligent they are and how they adapt to new environments. There are many scientific studies that demonstrate the ability of ravens to learn to use tools and solve problems creatively. For example, studies show that ravens can learn to open jars and use intuition to find hidden food. Learning about how ravens communicate is another way to better understand their intelligence. They have a complex communication system, which includes vocal calls, sign language, and visual language. In addition, ravens can also communicate with humans through gestures and sounds. This is a reflection of their ability to adapt to new social and cultural environments. Another way to learn more about the intelligence of ravens is to observe their manipulation skills. They are able to manipulate objects with their intelligence and manual dexterity, which can include choosing materials and techniques to solve problems. In addition, observing the skills of ravens in manipulation, it's how they solve problems. It's a mishmash of skills and tools they use to overcome obstacles and achieve desired outcomes. These skills range from data analysis to effective communication, through intuition and experience. They have the ability to connect the dots, to understand the relationships between variables, and to find innovative solutions. It's as if they had a battery of tools, options to deal with each situation. Depending on the problem they need to solve, they also have the power to adapt to change, to accommodate new information and circumstances, and to find alternative paths when necessary. This is especially important when there are uncertainties or unforeseen events, when circumstances are changeable and the solution requires a flexible approach. It's as if they had the soul of an adventurer, always ready to face new challenges and go beyond defined boundaries. Furthermore, they have the ability to listen and understand others, to put themselves in their shoes and understand their motivations and needs. It's as if they had a mental map that allows them to engage in a kind of telepathy with the people they work with, allowing them to communicate more effectively and solve problems. They know how to stimulate people, how to hold them accountable, and how to motivate them to achieve their goals. What's interesting is that they don't have a magic formula to solve problems. There's no secret recipe that always leads them to success. It's more like they have a special sensitivity to the situation, an ability of intuition that allows them to find solutions that others don't. It's as if they had a vision of the future, an ability to predict outcomes and to adapt to last-minute changes. They also have the ability to analyze themselves. The analysis of the intelligence of ravens reveals remarkable characteristics that bring them closer to other animals considered intelligent, such as chimpanzees and dolphins. These animals are known for their ability to solve problems and learn quickly, which makes them very interesting to study. In addition, ravens also demonstrate advanced cognitive abilities, such as the ability to remember locations where they have found food and return to that location again in search of food. This ability is possibly an adaptation to the environment in which ravens live, as this habit allows them to make better use of the available resources. One of the most inspiring studies on the intelligence of ravens was conducted by a team of scientists from the University of Cambridge, who discovered that ravens are able to learn and remember complex routes to find food. The scientists placed the ravens in a maze with different routes and tricks, and observed that the birds learn to navigate by associating objects with rewards. This demonstrates that ravens have a great problem-solving capacity and that they can quickly adapt to new environments and situations. In addition, ravens also demonstrate complex social skills, such as the ability to form relationships and cooperate with other ravens. In studies conducted in captivity, scientists observed that ravens live in groups and work together to solve problems and achieve goals. This demonstrates that ravens are able to develop strategies and tactics to achieve their goals, which is typical behavior of chimpanzees and other primates. However, it is important to note that the intelligence of ravens is not just limited to cognitive and social skills. They also demonstrate advanced emotional skills, such as the ability to recognize and react to facial expressions and body postures of other ravens. The intelligence of ravens is a fascinating topic that has captured the attention of many scientists and nature enthusiasts. They are able to solve complex problems, learn quickly, and adapt to new environments. It is truly impressive how these animals are able to develop and adapt to their circumstances.